Hey guys, welcome back, I'm Jay. In this episode, we're going to look at AWS SAM. SAM stands for Serverless Application Model. AWS SAM is an open source framework that allows you to easily build serverless applications, including AWS Lambda, step functions, API gateway, and DynamoDB, using simplified CloudFormation templates. SAM is an extension of AWS CloudFormation. You can use full functionality of CloudFormation template with SAM. For example, you can define CloudFormation resources, intrinsic functions, and other CloudFormation elements in the SAM template. SAM template provides shorthand syntax to express functions, APIs, databases, and event source mappings in YAML format. SAM transforms the SAM syntax into CloudFormation syntax for deployment. SAM CLI is a command line tool that you can use to verify SAM template, invoke functions, and run APIs locally. SAM CLI enables you to easily package and deploy applications to the AWS cloud. SAM is an extension of CloudFormation. SAM template file closely follows the format of the CloudFormation template. A SAM template can be in JSON or YAML format. Here is an example of a SAM template in YAML format. SAM template is made up of the following sections. The only required sections are transform and resources sections. All other sections are optional. The primary differences between SAM template and CloudFormation template are the transform, resources, parameters, and global sections. The transform section is a unique declaration to SAM. It's required section for SAM templates. This declaration identifies a CloudFormation template file as a SAM template file. The global section is also unique to SAM. The global section lets you define properties that are common to all your serverless functions and APIs. The description section lets you put a description about the SAM stack. The metadata section allows you to provide additional information about the stack resources. The parameters section allows you to pass values to the template at the runtime, when you run the SAM deploy command. The mapping section lets you map key values for conditional parameter values. The conditions section enables you to specify conditions that control whether certain resources are created, or certain properties are assigned a value. In SAM templates, the resources section can contain a combination of CloudFormation resources and SAM resources. Resources section is required for SAM templates. The output section allows you to export values that you can view in the stack properties, such as a DynamoDB table name, an S3 bucket name. You can also import these outputs in other CloudFormation stacks. SAM CLI commands enable you to easily develop and deploy your serverless applications to the AWS cloud. SAM init command initializes a serverless application with a SAM template. The template sets up everything you need to get started with the serverless application. For example, providing a folder structure for your Lambda functions, and connecting to an event source such as APIs, S3 buckets, or DynamoDB tables. SAM build command processes the SAM template, application code, and dependencies. It builds a serverless application and prepares it for subsequent steps. For example, running and testing the application locally, or deploying it to the cloud. SAM package command packages application code and dependencies into a zip file, and send it to S3. SAM deploy command deploys the application to AWS cloud. When you run the SAM deploy command, it also implicitly performs the functionality of SAM package. You can use the SAM deploy command directly to package and deploy your application to the cloud. SAM validate command verifies whether a SAM template file is valid. SAM local commands allow you to invoke functions, test APIs, and generate events locally. SAM publish command publishes the application to the AWS Serverless Application Repository, so that you can share the SAM application with other developers, or the open source community. SAM logs fetches logs that are generated by the Lambda function. In this episode, we've learned AWS Serverless Application Model, AWS SAM. SAM allows you to build serverless applications, including AWS Lambda, API gateway, DynamoDB, and step functions using SAM templates. SAM is an extension of AWS CloudFormation. You can use full functionality of CloudFormation template with SAM. For example, you can define CloudFormation resources, intrinsic functions, and other CloudFormation elements in the SAM template. SAM template provides shorthand syntax to express functions, APIs, databases, and event source mappings in YAML format. SAM transforms the SAM syntax into CloudFormation syntax for deployment. The primary differences between SAM template and CloudFormation template are the transform, resources, parameters, and global sections. SAM CLI is a command line tool that enable you to easily develop and deploy your serverless applications. Common SAM commands include SAM init, SAM build, SAM package, SAM deploy, SAM validate, and SAM local. Okay, that's all for AWS SAM. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode.
Hope you've enjoyed watching this episode. If you liked the video, please help us and hit the like button. If you want to watch more tutorials, please subscribe to the Cloudemy TV channel. Make sure to turn on the notification and stay tuned. At Cloudemy, we're passionate about cloud and AI technology. Please share your feedback and thoughts in the comments below. Feel free to let us know what topics you'd like to watch. Happy watching and happy learning.